Dear learners, I will discuss on transistor hybrid parameters. A transistor is a three-terminal device. It makes four terminals and an input circuit and a output circuit as shown in the figure. There are four variables: input voltage Vi, input current II, output voltage Vo, and output current IO. These are DC voltages and DC currents. For hybrid parameters, input voltage Vi and output current IO are taken as functions. That is, Vi function of II Vo, IO is a function of II Vo. Therefore, dVi equal to del Vi by del II constant Vo into dII plus del Vi by del Vo constant II into dVo. DIO equal to del IO divided by del II constant Vo dII plus del IO divided by del Vo constant II dVo. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. A change in DC voltage is an AC voltage and a change in DC current is an AC current. That is, dVo change in DC voltage, it is an AC voltage Vo, small Vo. Change in DC current dI is II, small II, AC current. Similarly, dVi, it is output DC, change in output DC voltage equal to AC output voltage. Change in DC input voltage is AC input voltage Vi, and DIO, change in output current, DC output current, is an AC output current IO. Then the equation 1 and equation 2 can be written as Vi equal to HI II plus HR Vo. Similarly, IO equal to HF II plus HO VO. This is equation 3 and this is equation 4. HI equal to del VI by del II constant VO, that is del VI by del II constant VO, that is dVO0, which is VI by II, and output voltage VO equal to 0. So VI by II, input impedance and output voltage 0, that is short circuit input impedance. HI is called short circuit input impedance. Next, HR equal to del VI by del VO, II constant, that is VI by VO. So it is called open circuit reverse voltage ratio. HR is the open circuit reverse voltage ratio. HF equal to del IO by del II, VO constant, that is IO by II, VO equal to 0. So it is called short circuit current ratio, HF, forward current ratio. Short circuit forward current ratio. HF is the short circuit forward current ratio. Now HO equal to del IO by del VO, II constant, that is IO by VO, II equal to 0. Input current 0, that is open circuit output admittance. HO is the open circuit output admittance. In equation 3 and 4, HI, HR, HF and HO are hybrid parameters, and equation 3 and 4 is hybrid parameter equations, and its equivalent circuit you see here. Look at the equivalent circuit. The equation VI equal to HI II, HR VO. This is VI. VI has two parts, HI II. HI input impedance, II input current. And another voltage is HR VO. VO is the output voltage and HR is the reverse transfer voltage ratio. Reverse voltage ratio. And it is a voltage source. HR VO is a voltage source. Similarly, you see the current equation I-O. Current has two parts in two branches, one HO, VO, that is output voltage, output admittance, and another part of the current is HO, HFII, HFII. It is HFII. And it is a current source. II input current, HF forward current ratio. It is a current source. Thank you.